Hi, my name's Karen. I'm a horticulturalist here at Gordale Garden Centre, and I'm really pleased to announce some of my favourite plants for your garden. Different aspects, flowering as well as just foliage. So here are a few, just to brighten up those winter days. Now, we have our beautiful euonymus, which is just a stunning little plant, and this will go in full shade, part shade, even full sun. And you can keep it clipped so it's nice and straight with a pair of hedging shears, and lovely to plant with it this little woodland primrose. This little primrose, they come in clusters. The primula grows on one stem. These are full of buds underneath, just a little treat to brighten up your winter days. Absolutely beautiful. I would really recommend them. They're the little woodland primrose. I absolutely adore the snowdrops, and these are a new snowdrops. I think they're called snow fox. They're called snow fox, and with this beautiful plum leaf heuchera, that really just gives that gorgeous colour. As well as flower, it gives colour with foliage, which is just unbelievable. So that, I think, is a must for underplanting any of these beautiful cherry trees which are behind me. This one in particular, this is one of the first prunus, which is an ornamental cherry to flower of the season. This one's called the Bride. There is an earlier one which is called Autumnalis, and we have a really beautiful specimen in our grounds here at Gordale, and you can come and see it in full flower at the moment. But these are all raised by, what's lovely about these are grafted onto these stems. These stems now won't grow any taller, they'll just get fatter. But your top works, we call them top works, will grow, and it's a beautiful pale pink flower, quite white, but that underplanting of that beautiful cherry would look gorgeous.